Are you a chiropractor struggling to get more local patients through your door? Do you want to show up at the top of the Google Maps when someone searches chiropractor near me? My name is Gulfam Kumar, and in this video we will walk you through a complete local SEO strategy tailored for chiropractors. From optimizing your Google business profile to building local citations and getting reviews. This video is powered by Gulfam Kumar, founder of Optimize Grow, a digital marketing agency that helps chiropractors grow online and attract real patients through proven SEO and advertising strategies. Local SEO is the process of optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. For chiropractors, this means showing up in the top 3 results on the Google Maps when someone types in chiropractor near me or back pain relief in any city like Melbourne. These top 3 listings are called the local 3 pack, and ranking here can drastically increase your traffic and patients. Here is a search for chiropractor near me in Australia on Google Maps. Except for sponsored business profiles, all the top ranked listing profiles are ranked due to their positive ratings and reviews, and high search volume keywords that can rank easily. First and foremost, the foundation of any successful local SEO strategy is your Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business. To begin with, go to google.com/business and either claim any existing listing or create a new one. This step ensures you are visible on Google Maps and local search results when people in your area search for chiropractors. Once inside your dashboard, it's important to fill out every section thoroughly. Don't leave anything blank. Start with your business name. It should match exactly what you see on your website and signage. Avoid keyword stuffing. For example, don't write best chiropractor in Dallas. Just stick with your official business name. Next is your address. This must be accurate and reflect your actual practical location. If you move, make sure to update this immediately or you will confuse Google and your potential patient. Then add your phone number. Use a local number, not a toll free or call tracking number. Under business categories, your primary category should always be chiropractor. You can also add secondary categories like physical therapist. For business hours, make sure they are accurate and include any special hours for holidays. If you are closed on Sundays, show it. You can also enable holiday hours. Let's talk about the service section. This is super important for chiropractor. You should add detailed description of what you offer, such as neck adjustment, spinal decompression therapy, sports injury rehabilitation. Each service should have a brief but keyword-rich description, which helps Google understand what your practice specializes in. Then move on to photos and videos. Upload real high-quality images of your clinic, including the exterior treatment rooms, your staff, and even you in action. Google says business with photos get 42% more direction requests and 35% more click through. You should also consider uploading short videos. Finally, if your clinic uses online appointment scheduling, connect that directly to your profile. Google integrate with services like Zocdoc, Square, and others. You will see a book now button appear in your listing, which can increase bookings dramatically. The entire take about 20 to 30 minutes, but the result can be a long lasting. A fully optimized Google business profile tells Google and potential patient that you are legitimate, active, and trustworthy. That your Google business profile is fully optimized. Let's move to the next major step in your local SEO strategy, your website. Your website tells Google who you are, what service you offer, and where you are located. It must be optimized for local keywords to rank in local searches. Start with your title tags and meta description. This appears in Google search results, so make sure to include your city or area. Then include local keywords in your headings like H1 and throughout your page content use phrases like top rated chiropractor in Perth or any other city. Don't forget your image alt text. If you are using photos of your clinic or staff, use descriptions like Dr. Gulfam Kamar and team at Optimize Chiropractor Clinic in Houston. Now here's a powerful tip, local specific landing page. If you search multiple areas, create separate pages for each city. Finally, embed a Google Map on your contact page. This helps user and Google easily understand your exact location. Here how go to Google Maps, search your business name, click share, embed the map, copy the iframe HTML code, paste it into your contact page, ideally above the fold and near your name. Local website optimization is all about helping Google and your customer know where you are and what you offer. Citations are mentions of your business across the web. They help Google confirm that your business exists and is trustworthy. You need to list your practice in trusted business directories, especially those related to health and wellness. Make sure your NAP info matches exactly across all platforms. If your business phone number or address is different even slightly, it can hurt your rankings. Top citation sources are Yelp, HealthGrades, Zocdoc, Better Business Bureau, Bing Places, Yellow Pages. And I will give you an overview of Yelp local citation creation. Are one of the biggest ranking factors for chiropractor on Google Maps. Ask your happy patients to leave a 5-star review. You can generate a Google review link or even better, create a QR code and print it on a card to hand to patients. And don't forget to reply to every review, good or bad. It shows you are active and care about patients' feedback. Backlinks from local websites help boost your credibility. Reach out to local bloggers, event organizers, or fitness communities. You can offer chiropractic tips in exchange for a guest post or a shootout. Even sponsoring a local event or collaborating with a gym owner can lead to a powerful backlinks. Most local patients are searching from their phones. If your website is not mobile friendly, they will bounce fast. Your site should be easy to navigate, load quickly, and have clear call to action buttons like call now or book an appointment. Also, your website should be mobile friendly and its performance must be good and in green color in on page speed inside. And there you have it, your complete local SEO blueprint as a chiropractor. If you want help implementing these steps and ranking higher in your city, contact Gulfam Kamar at Optimize Karo. He's helped dozens of chiropractors build their online presence and attract real patients. Visit www.optimizekaro.com to book your free consultation and took your chiropractic clinic to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below if you found this guide helpful. I will see you in the next video.